It's been said that life is all about connections, especially when it comes to your Cogeco TiVo. Here are a few simple solutions to keep your TiVo viewing experience the best it can be. If you find that you are experiencing an interrupted signal or no signal at all, check to ensure your input source is set to your TV TiVo receiver and all your cable connections are secure. If you have a black screen or a no signal notification is flashing on your TV, follow these helpful tips to get you reconnected in no time. Check to make sure your TV is powered on and is set to the correct input. Press the input or source button on the TV remote control until you see TiVo Central. If your TiVo remote is programmed to control your TV's video input functions, press the input button to cycle through the options until you see TiVo Central. If you still have no signal, check the cable connections between the device and the TV. Make sure you are going from an out connector on the device to an in connector on the TV and that all the connections are secure. If you're using third-party equipment between your TiVo and your TV and you're still not getting a signal, bypass the third-party device and connect your TiVo directly to your TV set. If your TiVo box still has no picture, follow our steps on restarting your TiVo DVR. And that's it. Simple solutions. Just one of the many reasons most people choose Cogeco.